Just giving the van a bit of a clean up. It's our last clean with the old wheels or stock wheels before we take them to get them upgraded. So we've got 1,600 miles on them. Nothing wrong with them. Hopefully we'll find somebody, send them to a good home. And excited to see what the new wheels look like. Hey everybody, good morning. It's Friday morning and I'm on my way to Reading to Rogue Alloys to have my new alloy wheels fitted. So at the moment I'm still running the existing stock tyres and rims, which are Continentals, but they are strictly road tyres, they're not all season tyres. The road noise, if you listen really hard, sounds like this. We'll try and do a duplicate on the way back so you can see what it sounds like with the new gnarly tyres. Well, I've arrived at Rogue Alloys and the van is in. About a 40-minute turnaround because they're fitting the tyres to the rims. Really nice setup, wheels, lots of tyres. The guys are super professional, really friendly. Got a coffee and I'm going to look at some of the merch. Got the merch. Yeah. Here we are on the return journey from Rogues. Tyres are all fitted, doing about 55 miles an hour, dual carriageway, and the road noise, listen, it's slightly more droney than it used to be, but really minimal. However, the tyres feel way stiffer. The van is less sway or wallowy, less of the sort of seasick feel when you go around roundabouts. It just sits on the road much more stably. And they look great, so really pleased. And free merch and more merch. Happy days.